Kwa ihinda sekta ya kahua guku bururi-ini ndikoretwo igika wega na arimi gukorwo magikaya marihi moru ma kahua kao, indi riu thirikari ni iraniire gukuria sekta ino. Akiaria ari mwena wa Mombatha hindi ya giikaro na kamiti ya wonjoria bunge-ini ya Senate, Minister wa Thaiti Wycliffe Oparanya augite thirikari itanyite kuongerera mbeca cia kahua kuma kuri ciringi mirioni 200 nginya ciringi trilioni 1 o mwaka.
The president has committed himself to avail funds to us to make sure that we are able to meet the objective of our intention to revive the coffee sector, and he has allocated 500 million in the current estimates, supplemental estimates that have already passed through the National Assembly. So our aim here is to increase acreage, and to increase acreage we are going to new frontiers to grow coffee. If we do that, we will be getting 1 trillion Kenya shillings from the coffee export.
Oparanya ongereire ati ni megukorwo makiandandura urimi wa kahua gicigo-ini kia ithuriro ria bururi niguo kura njeki kahua karia karauma gicigo-ini gia gatagati hamwe na gwetha thoko njega ya kahua.
We want to increase local value addition. We encourage local processing of coffee locally and consumption locally. And we have agreed, because prices have been going up from last year from 50 shillings per kilo, now it is 104. It has more than doubled.
Oparanya augite kwambatira kwa marihi ma kahua kuma kuri ciringi 50 nginya ciringi 100 hari kiro ni kioneria ati kahua ga guku bururi-ini ni karendekana na gikiro kinene.
We recognize the momentum role that the cooperatives and the SMEs play in the growth and prosperity of our nation. Micro, small and medium enterprises, SME, play a major role in most economies, particularly in developing countries. They account for the majority of business worldwide and are important contributors to job creation and economic development. SMEs present about 90% of business and more than 50% of employment worldwide.
Thirikari ni igite keheri ciringi mirioni 500 bajeti-ini iria ikuhuthika hari kuheana mĩũngũrwa ya kahua kuri arimi hamwe na bataraitha ya thogora wa thi. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Wainaina wa Kiarie.